Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thanks for your support on our first video. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how I shape and groom my wide and short eyebrow. I'll be using this spool brush and a razor to groom this shape. Usually, the eyebrow has three parts: the head or the tip, the arc, and the tail. I'll put a picture on the screen to represent each part by 1, 2, and 3 respectively. Some people have these three naturally, and we only need slight or no tweezing at all. However, some of us will have to artificially create this shape and still paint with brow pencil to make it bold and beautiful. First, I brush up my brows, then I start from beneath the brow bone, just below where I'll create my arc, and then I shape outwards towards the tail. Note that the tail must always be thin towards the end. Some people have long tail, but my brow has a very short tail instead. Thank God for brow pencil, it can be elongated. Afterwards, I move towards the upper parts and trim the edge towards the arc and then the tail. I usually brush up my hair because it is long, and I just trim out the excesses that protrude beyond the thickness that I want. I also brush downwards and do the same. I sometimes go for slightly thin brows, but today I decided to go for a thick brow. Notice I shaped the hair in between my brows at the beginning of the video. That's because there is an extension of hair in between my eyebrows. I did cut myself mistakenly, so please be careful when using the razor. I would also advise that you should hold up your skin with your other hand. I couldn't do that in this video because I had a small mirror in my other hand. I just repeat the same process with the other eyebrow. Please watch to the end of the video to see the outcome. I'll be dropping a video on how I draw my eyebrows soon, so please stay tuned to our channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments. And there you have it. See you in my next video.